All right, so I'm going to change up plans a little bit, and I'm not going to move on to 8.2 today. We'll work on that tomorrow. Today, I just want to do a short video helping you guys out with 6 and 7 here. Or actually, if we start with 5, because I got a couple questions on this. Our goal is to find this here. We don't have a right triangle in the whole triangle, but when we draw this down here, we create 2 right triangles. So in order to find x here, I have a 20. My x is the hypotenuse, and then you have to do a little bit of work to figure out what this is here. So now I'm able to set this up as x squared, the hypotenuse, equals 9 squared plus 20 squared. And then you can solve down from there. Now number 6, we're breaking it up a little bit. Okay, so this piece over here is going to be congruent to this piece here, 19. For some reason that was missing. That little mark on the Go formative, it was in the packet. So since that's 19, that is 19. This right here, okay, is 17. Our goal is to find this piece in here. Okay, that's where the x is. So what I can do, okay, these are both going to be 17. If I find this piece right here, I will also have this piece here, and I can subtract from the 31. So my first goal, I'm going to set in y here because that's what I'm going to solve for. I know that 19 squared is equal to y squared plus 17 squared. Sorry, I'm missing my calculator. So 9, well, I'll do this in 2 different pieces. We have 81 plus 400 equals x squared. So x squared is equal to 481. I take the square root of both. I'm doing the wrong problem. I apologize. I thought that looked too easy. So 19 squared gives me 361 is equal to y squared plus 17 squared. 289, 361 minus 289. 72 is equal to y squared, so we take the square root of 72. I get y is equal to 8.5. So if this is 8.5 and this is 8.5 and the whole thing is 31, I can find the in-between piece by saying 31 minus 1 8.5 minus the other 8.5. I should get this chunk right here, x is equal to 14. All right, so it's just kind of like a puzzle piece. You separate it into what you know. Now on this one, okay, we have this dotted line here, and this is 90 degrees. So I'm thinking, so I want to find this piece. So the first thing I need to do is I can find y here. So I can take the 44 minus the 16. And I know from here to here is going to be 28. So I can't work with this triangle because I have 2 variables. What I can do is find y. Okay, we have a right triangle over here. So 22 squared is equal to 16 squared plus y squared. 484 is equal to 16 squared, 256 plus y squared. 228 equals y squared. Take the square root. Y is equal to 15.1. So now I have something to use here. So I have a right triangle with 28 that I solved for here, 15.1, and the x that I am looking for. So therefore, x squared is equal to 15.1 squared plus 28 squared. 15.1 squared plus 8 squared gives me x squared equals 28 squared. Sorry, 15.1 squared plus 28 squared. Oh my goodness, I can't type anything in. 15.1 squared plus 28 squared equals 1012.0. Take the square root, both sides. And I get x is equal to 31.8. So like I said, puzzle pieces, you're doing a couple in there.